Morning, guys. We are out of Vegas.
Yep, we had fun last night though.
Yeah.
Walked around and the water show in front of the, what was that?
Oh, the Bellagio. Yeah, the Bellagio
really
water
cool.
show. Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah.
But we left, man. What did we left at like 1:30 in the morning last night, I think. And
It wasn't too bad.
the traffic wasn't too bad, but we was going away from town. Right now we're in Boulder City, and we stayed at this little casino. They're redoing the whole thing, the parking lot and everything, but we just kind of stumbled upon it, and there was RVs and trucks all in this new parking lot, so we pulled in and slept for the night. But we was heading to the big parking lot before Hoover Dam, but we didn't make it that far. But this was a good night's sleep.
Yeah,
It was quiet.
we were tired, so we wanted to park, and this was nice. And
Yeah.
not too bad, places for the dogs to go to the bathroom and stuff, so.
Yeah, this is called Railroad Pass Hotel Casino. It's not on free campsites, so if you guys are in the area, it's a nice parking spot.
Actually, they just redid everything here, because when we Googled it, it looked like we were like in the middle of nowhere, not even on a road.
Well, yeah, we're supposed to be on the other side of the highway right now, but they moved the entire highway. So yeah, it's pretty wild. But we're gonna head back a little ways and go to Camping World. There's a couple things that we need to try to get, and then we're heading towards Hoover Dam. I don't know how late it's gonna get. I don't know if we'll see Hoover Dam today, but we're gonna park in the parking lot and ride the bike up and ride it across Hoover Dam either today or tomorrow.
That should be fun.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's head out. You guys ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, we made it to Hoover Dam pretty much. We're at the Hoover Dam Lodge. This is where we're gonna stay, and we're gonna ride the bike probably up over Hoover Dam.
We're about a mile away, pretty close.
But for now, we're gonna go check out this awesome view behind the parking lot of the casino. There's helicopter rides here you can take over Hoover Dam. Said it starts at $39 and up. Wow, this is really cool.
So beautiful.
Awesome view here.
Makes
This
me
is
dizzy
so
just
cool.
standing here.
You can walk, let's walk all the way over there. See where the people are?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
No.
You stay here, you're in flip-flops.
Very careful.
I got my hiking Nike tennis shoes on. It'll be harder getting up than getting down. It just goes out to a peak here. Wow. It's a drop, but I have plenty of room. This is a huge cliff. It's pretty cool though. I feel pretty safe. It's wide. Alright, I'm going back. I think it keeps going. Yeah, there ain't nothing out there but death. Alright guys, we got the bike out. We're about to take a dam tour on the bike.
Let's go check it out.
Yep. We're at the top here. This is pretty cool.
It is amazing.
The road dead ends right after this. Back here it's closed. So I think this is the highest point. We got a whole gang of three-wheel scooters here.
That's pretty neat. Wow.
This is very cool. Check it out, the three-wheel scooter gang pulled up. We're gonna go ahead and check out this gift shop, see if we can find a magnet for the Hoover Dam. Pappy will tell you your fortune here.
We got our dam magnet. Got it at the dam.
This is my dam magnet.
Cute, huh?
Yeah. Now we're going to ride back, because there ain't a lot to do here, I don't think. But see it, you can walk across it if you park in one of them parking lots down there, but it's $10 to park. I'm not paying no $10 to park. We rode across it. It was pretty cool. I'm going back to the RV though. It's lunchtime and I gotta finish the whole video up.
Chloe, we're getting ready to leave. We're getting ready to leave. You know, look, you got 2 beds to choose from up there. Why you gotta sit in my chair? Well, why?
Alright guys, we're just sitting at a rest area like right outside of the Hoover Dam area. We was trying to leave and I was taking 93 towards Vegas and then we was going to go 95 south through the desert, but
Oh my God.
traffic jam. I mean, it was, I don't know.
I don't know if there was a wreck or if that's just a normal Saturday traffic at noon through here, but it was literally stopped.
It was stopped
for like 20 minutes.
20 minutes we would move a foot, and then about 20 minutes we'd move a foot.
We're like, we might as well pull off and have lunch because this isn't going anywhere.
Well, we had to take a left because you had to go right to leave out of the National Mead area back on the highway towards Vegas. So we went left and went through town, and now we're at the rest area right off the highway. So yeah, we went ahead and ate lunch, but we're not even going that way now. We're going the opposite way, and we're going to cross the big bridge where you can see the Hoover Dam and hopefully get some cool shots of the dam while we're crossing. So,
it's a nice cloudy day. It even sprinkled a little bit.
Yeah, it quit, but yeah, it was sprinkling a little bit. So yeah, we're about to hit the road. We're heading towards Laughlin. All right, let's do it. Walmart. Candace is in there shopping, and I'm working on the RV again for like the last, I don't know, couple hundred miles. The engine fan does not want to shut off, and it robs the power a little bit because the fan should only be on when it needs to cool, and it's been stuck on. The RV's been running way cool because it hasn't shut off. So I went and picked up a new one. This is actually the old one. I've already got it in. I didn't really film putting it in because there's just no way to get the camera up in here. It's not a super hard job, but I'm not going to say it's easy. I couldn't get the fan out of here without unhooking all the hoses and stuff, so I had to undo the clutch and then undo the fan and slide the clutch through and out, and then put the new one in. All I have to do now is torque these bolts back up, and I think we're good to go. I hope. All right, we're about to leave the Walmart. The fan clutch did work. It's quiet again, thank goodness.
Yeah, that was really annoying.
Oh man, it was loud, and it wasn't hot, so I knew that's what it was. It was loud even going downhill. When if I would give it a little gas, it would just roar. So yeah, it was stuck. It happens. Blackie's ready. You ready to leave the Walmart?
Blackie.
All right, we're heading to our next spot. Maybe do a little gambling finally.
Yay.
Yay! You don't even like gambling.
Well, if we win, it'll be yay.
Yeah. There's helicopter rides here. You can take over Hoover Dam. Said it starts at $39 and up. I don't know what $39 gets you. You couldn't get anything in Vegas for $39.
Don't get me closer than that.
I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Candace has a boo-boo on her foot.
Yes, I wore sandals and my foot swelled up a little bit, and now it's kind of rubbing. And it
Shouldn't
hurts.
wear sandals hiking.
So Jason's gonna trade me one of his shoes
Was it
and wear my sandal.
was it too much damn walking?
No, it really wasn't too much damn walking. I was having fun, but my stupid foot swells up sometimes. Still.
I think it was too much damn walking.